Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Fidelity using electronic funds transfer steps, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Fidelity using electronic funds transfer, begin by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Accounts and Trades section on the main menu. Select Transfers from the drop-down options. Under Transfer Funds, click on Withdraw from my Fidelity account. Choose the account you want to withdraw funds from. Select Electronic Funds Transfer as your withdrawal method. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to add one. To do this, click on Add a Bank Account. Provide the required bank details, including your account number and routing number. Once your bank account is verified, return to the withdrawal screen. Confirm that you have selected the correct bank account for the transfer. Review all details to ensure accuracy. Click on Continue to proceed with the transaction. Fidelity will display a summary of your withdrawal request. Ensure all information is still correct, then click Submit. You will receive a confirmation message once your request has been processed. Check your email for a confirmation of the transaction as well. Funds typically arrive in your bank account within a few business days. Monitor both your Fidelity account and your bank account to confirm the transfer. If you encounter any issues, contact Fidelity's customer support for assistance. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth withdrawal process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.